profile, and profile just allows you to be able to control what a user can do. We have the admin profile, which is the highest profile, the highest ranking, and we have the standard profile. And you can click on the edit button here to see what the administrator can do. And as you can see, they can do almost everything except for the payment link. And for the payment link, the admin do not have access to the payment link. And also they can create, they can edit, they can do all of these things. They can view contacts, they can edit, they can delete. And as you can see, all of these advanced features also can be done by the admins. We also have the standard profile, which is a profile different from the admin. And as you can see, we have what they can do and what they cannot do. As you can see, standard cannot manage same they cannot manage same pipeline, and you can also decide to remove whatever other things you do not want them to be able to edit. So you can say for the standard profile, you do not want them to be able to edit the pipeline records or do anything to the pipeline record. Or you can say for the pipeline record, they can only create and view, but they cannot edit and they cannot delete. So you can do all of this for all of this permission. And when you are done, you click on save. And if you want to create a new profile, all you need to do is just to click on create new profile, and it's going to ask you for the name of the profile, and you can decide to clone from whoever you want to clone from. You can say you want to clone from standard, and you can name this. So let's say we want to create a profile for sales rep. So let's name this sales rep. Then that means we are going to be creating a profile that is only going to be for sales rep. And when you click on save, it is going to save that, and you can then be able to edit all of this permission. Remember that profile is different from users in such a way that if you are bringing a user in, you will have to decide to give them one of this profile. So that means you are giving them profile to allow them to be able to get permission to do the things you want them to do. So if you are bringing in a user, you can bring them as an administrator, or you can bring them as a standard user, and that is going to help you to manage whatever permission that they have. So if you are bringing in a sales rep, we want them to be able to view and create and also edit and delete pipeline records because they are sales rep. And we can decide that we want them to view and contact, do everything for contact, do everything for complaints, for products, for activities, for notes, for files. But we can say that for dashboards, we only want them to be able to view the dashboard. We do not want them to manage the dashboard. We can also say that we do not want the sales rep to create automation, or we do not want them to create form. We also do not want them to import or export our data because we are trying to safeguard our data. We can also say, yeah, they need to send out emails, so that can be done. So for emails, you can say that you do not want them to send mass email, but you want them to send individual email. Or you can say that they can use templates, but they cannot send mass email, or they cannot do email integration. So you can decide to restrict their permission for sales rep. And when you are done with all of this permission, just click on save, and that is going to save the permission as a new one. If you've made it up until the end of this video, I want to say a very big thank you to you, because this particular feature of Zoho Bigin might have been very confusing for you to set up, and I hope by now you should be able to set up this particular feature correctly and properly. We offered paid consultation to help you set up your Zoho Bigin account currently. If you currently are new to Zoho Bigin and you don't know how to use Zoho Bigin for your business, and also if you do not understand how to use Zoho Bigin for your business processes, in the link below you can book your paid consultation, and we are also going to help you figure out everything you need help with. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and also share to everyone you think might need this video. Also subscribe to this channel, because that is going to go a long way in helping us. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.